how to ban someone in Roblox. Now, this is a common question that we do always have. Is there any way that you can ban someone on Roblox from you? Like, you imagine you can get someone right now, like a friend who like maybe might have betrayed you, and you just ban him to get revenge. Now, I'll be teaching you that exact way on how you can actually ban someone on Roblox literally for no reason. It's actually insane. This is going to be absolutely insane. I'm going to show you how to ban how to ban anyone in Roblox forever. How to get someone banned in 2022. So yeah, I hope I've just covered what I'll be doing in today's video. So if you guys are still watching, do not click off this video because you have found the correct video for this topic. So please do not click off this video. Watch this whole video until the end and make sure to watch the whole video, because if you miss one step, then obviously you could maybe fail something. So don't skip at all, guys, because you might miss something. So yeah, now what you want to do from here is to pretty much, since I am on my home page now, say if you're on your mobile, I would recommend to go on your PC or a laptop, maybe your parents' laptop for some reason. So yeah, I would recommend, obviously if you don't, then don't worry, because it can still work on your mobile. It might be a little bit harder, but this does involve going to the support or Roblox support. Now this way is you'll be pretty much saying that how this person has done a lot of bad stuff. Now I'll get into more. You might be thinking, well, you can do that anyway, but trust me, the things that I say is something more likely, like something I'm going to teach you what to say, and 99% of the time it will work. Obviously you can't do like famous people, like you can't just say, oh yeah, Roblox, the real Roblox account did this, it won't work. Or like Stickmaster Luke, the third most richest person in Roblox, did this, it won't work, because obviously they know they probably get hundreds of like false reports, obviously, so they won't look into it. But say if it's just someone like low down, like maybe like it's some guy with like, you know, like just the average Roblox user pretty much. So yeah, now what you guys want to do from here is to pretty much go to the support chat. So what I do normally is at the bottom right here, it does say help right here. So go to help right there, and I just press on a random one, sorry here, so Roblox account, and just press on a random one, so my account was hacked, whatever, and just scroll down, and you got to try find something that does say need more help, contact support here. Now it's in blue writing obviously, so press this right here, and it should look a bit like this. So obviously my username, my first name, email address, and I'll pretty much show you. So yeah, now obviously put your first username in, or your first name, it doesn't matter too much, it could be a fake one if not, but yeah, it's just pretty simple, to be fair. Like honestly guys, it's actually insane. So yeah, anyway, email address, I would recommend to put your real one in obviously, but it's up to you. So this is where it's at pretty much. So it does say issue details, what device are you having this problem on. Now obviously it's not an actual device, so you select right here. Now doesn't really matter too much, so don't worry, obviously just put whatever device you're on right now, or whatever device you're reporting from, just use that. Obviously I'm on my PC, but it doesn't really matter too much. I could literally put my iPhone, even though I'm not on my iPhone. I've played the iPhone before on my account. Actually I don't think I've done it on this account though. So yeah, just put PC, just whatever device you are reporting from, just put it as that obviously. So yeah, type of help. Now this is a common question right now, so obviously I think most of us know what we're gonna put, so there's stuff like moderation as well, and yeah, so report user breaking rules right here. So yeah, that's the second step, so make sure to do that. So yeah, and also can I just say, if you are still watching, please leave a like and subscribe right now, it would mean so much. I'm going to give someone who watches this video right now 10,000 Robux, so do it right now. Anyway, description of issue. So what is the issue? Well, simply we'll be saying, okay, so I am here to report the user, and then just put in speech bubbles, and then let's just say it's I don't know, just obviously this is where you put the username of the person you want to ban. So make sure it's not the display name. Now I cannot hesitate enough. Make sure it's not the display name. Make sure it's the actual username that's like below, like, if you know what I mean. Like, so obviously, say if you put your display name in, it will, I mean, like, it could be like millions of people with that display name, so it will just throw it in the bin, obviously. So yeah, I'm here to report the user right here. So let's just say his name is, obviously I don't really want to ban anyone because I don't feel like it's right, but I'm teaching you anyway, because why not anyway. So yeah, I'm here to report the user. What shall I say? Like, okay, I'm just do this. So just have this, and then close their username with another speech bubble. So there's like 2 speech marks. So yeah, so you may be thinking, obviously don't actually put this in, obviously, but put in the username of the person you want to ban. So in this bit right here, for exploiting on a game. Now, if you could put as much detail as you can, say if you know that this Roblox person plays Pet Simulator, you could say for exploiting on Pet Simulator. So let's just say this guy plays on Adopt Me, for example, or let's just do Pet Simulator actually. On Pet Simulator X, he was using admin hacks as well as being very toxic and rude by passing swear words in the chat and being very offensive. Now you'd have to put something exactly the same. You have to put something exactly the same. You could pretty much say what you want. Just say something that they're doing very bad, obviously. So I said that they were bypassing the chat by doing swear words in the chat. They've been very offensive, and you say that like, you could say pretty much anything right there. So yeah, please look into this. Check the user's chat logs, and you will see for yourself. Then you might be thinking, well, when the Roblox employee does check the chat logs to this user, you'll see that you're lying. Well, the thing is, he will take your word for it. You're thinking, okay, this user's pretty confident in what this other guy's done, and he's even saying to check the chat logs. So this guy must be telling the truth, and that's what they will think, and it will work. Sometimes it could take around 2 days. It could take a few hours. It could take a few hours. I even know, to be fair, but it can take quite a while sometimes. Who knows? Just be patient, obviously. So yeah, make sure you do that. Obviously, it's pretty insane. I think it does still work, which is pretty good. So yeah, peace out.